Ito naman.
Alam nyo, let's just move on. So, what is the pulot? Dahil hindi na kita i-a-advise, wala na kaming sasabihin sa'yo, wala kami i-a-advise sa'yo, kundi aminin mo yung ginawa mo, panindigan mo yung ginawa mo, and kung alam mo actually, hindi na nga dapat yung jowa mo yung mag-decide for you, dapat ikaw na mismo yung mag-decide, na parang nilinlang niya lang yung jowa niya.
Ayun, if you think na you won, you didn't really, kasi you're living a lie. You're lying to everybody around you. You're lying to yourself. Genuinely, I don't think you sent this confession to us as like a way kasi nagigilty ka or whatever.
Oo.
Hindi, wala talaga.
The amount of lol na nandito, kung guilty ka talaga,
Again, last and very much not the least, girl, get therapy, get help, please. And work on yourself. Please,
Yeah. Nasa nga
caution.
para wala na siyang iba pang madamay na tao in the future. In case,
Kung talagang paninindigan mo yung ugali na to, ikaw na lang yung mag-loner. Hindi mo na kailangan madamay na ibang tao. Alam mo yun? Kasi some people are happy. Ikaw, masaya ka, proud ka na ganito ka. You don't need to involve other people in this,
yeah. For a guy, madami ka ng ibang babae na nananahimik naman, na walang paki sa lalaki, ganun.
So yun.
I guess that's the end of our episode. Nakaka-drain yung story.
Actually, gusto ko makita yung reaction ng ibang tao. Like, for real.
Actually,